Once you get over 50, you start to feel the effects of age-related wear and tear on your body. And the one place many people feel this the most is in the shoulders. At this point in life, exercises you were in love with back in your 20s can now have your shoulders killing you for the next 5 days. In this video, I'll show you the best shoulder exercises for men and women over 50 that you can do at home or in the gym to rebuild your shoulders and increase your upper body strength without the pain. What's up guys, I'm Dave Durell and welcome to Strength After 50. This channel is all about helping people over 50 stay strong and live full, active lives. Now let's get right into the best shoulder exercises for men and women over 50. The first exercise is the rear deltoid raise. This exercise strengthens the muscles at the back of your shoulder joints, which are crucial for proper joint alignment. Everything we do in everyday life takes place in front of us, and we tend to do many of these things with a hunched over posture. Doing this exercise regularly will counteract this issue by pulling our shoulders back, and that's what we need to focus on when doing shoulder exercises over 50. Rear deltoid raises can be easily performed on gym machines. Start with your arms straight out in front of you and smoothly bring them straight back as far as you can without letting your arms drop. Pause at the end and slowly return to the start position. On some machines, you sit facing the machine and grab two handles. The motion is the same and both versions work great. If you're training at home or your gym doesn't have a rear deltoid machine, you can do shoulder tees with dumbbells. Lie face down on a flat bench with your arms straight out to your sides in the shape of the letter T. Smoothly bring your arms towards the ceiling, maintaining the T position. Pause at the top and slowly lower to the start position. Exercise number 2 is shoulder external rotation. This one will strengthen 3 of the deepest muscles of your shoulder joint, the external rotators of the rotator cuff complex. These muscles are thin and very susceptible to injury, and a torn rotator cuff is a devastating injury that requires surgery and a lengthy, painful rehab, something we definitely want to avoid. A simple way to do this exercise is side lying with a dumbbell. Use a towel roll between the upper arm and the side of the body to allow your upper arm bone to rotate freely. Keep your elbow bent at a 90-degree angle and raise your hand towards the ceiling. Pause and smoothly lower. A little weight goes a long way on this one, so start with the smallest dumbbell you have and work your way up as needed. To cover the rest of the shoulder muscles, we'll add the shoulder press, but there are some important technique modifications you need to make once you're over 50. First, you want to avoid using a wide grip with your elbows flared out to the sides. This puts your shoulder joints into what's called a closed pack position, and moving heavy resistance in this position is really bad for your shoulders. You want to keep your elbows facing forward and start in a comfortable position without overstretching. As you press the weight overhead, you want to keep your arms in front of your torso. This will be a lot more comfortable over the long run and just as effective.